Hi students, welcome back to my class. We are discussing number system. In a previous class we discussed exercise point 5 and today's class we discussed exercise point 6. It is your last exercise of this chapter. So before going to this chapter exercise, so we'll discuss some identities. So first let a is greater than 0 and a belongs to a be the any real number and m and n belongs to z, any integer. M and n is any integer. Then a raised to m into a raised to n. So this one we can write m plus n. So for example, 2 raised to 2 into 2 raised to 4. So this is equal to 2 raised to 2 plus 4. This is equal to 2 raised to 6. Is it clear? And next another one, a raised to m divided by a raised to n. So this we can write a raised to m minus n. It comes in a numerator, this become a minus. So for example, a raised 3 raised to 4 divided by 3 raised to 3. So this we can write 3 raised to 4 minus 3. This is equal to 3 raised to 1 is equal to 3. Is it clear? So next another one, a raised to n whole bracket power m. So this one we can write a raised to m into n. So for example, 2 raised to 2 cube. So this is equal to 2 raised to 2 into 3. So this is equal to 2 raised to 2 3 is 6. So one more last one, a raised to m into b raised to m. So this we can write ab raised to m. So for example, 2 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 2. So this we can write 2 into 3 whole square. This is equal to 6 square. On basis of this one, well students, exercise point 6, the first question, find the first one they given 64 raised to 1 by 2. So write down here what they given, 64 raised to 1 by 2. So this one we can write 64 is a 8 square and raised to 1 by 2 as it is. So now it is in the form of a raised to m raised to n. So this is equal to a raised to mn, right? So a raised to m and n. So this one we can write 8 raised to 2 into 1 by 2 is 2 by 2. So 2 get cancelled, we got 8, right? So next second one, what are the given second one, 32 raised to 1 by 5. So this one we can write 32, we can write 2 raised to 5, 2 raised to 5 and 1 by 5 as it is. So now it is in the form of am raised to n. So we can write a raised to mn. So here 2 raised to 5 by 5 is equal to 2 only. 32 raised to 1 by 5 we can write directly 2 also, because we need this one in the next main. So next third one, 125 raised to 1 by 3. So this one 125 we can write 5 raised to 3. 5 cube is a 125 and 1 by 3 as it is. So it is in the form of a raised to m bracket n. So a raised to mn. So here 5 raised to 3 by 3. 3 get cancelled, we got only 5. So 125 raised to 1 by 3 we can write directly 5. So Well, students, the next main is find. Here the first one given 9 raised to 3 by 2. So here solution, first one 9 raised to 3 by 2, right? So 9 we can write 3 square is a 9, and here 3 by 2, right? So now it is in the form of now a raised to m raised to n is equal to a raised to mn, right? So using that one, 3 raised to 2 into 3 by 2, 2 get cancelled, we got here 3 raised to 3, so 3 cube is 27, clear? So next, second one, 32 raised to 2 by 5, right? So this is equal to 32, we can write 2 raised to 5 and 2 by 5 as it is. So this is equal to 2 raised to 5 into 2 raised to 5, 5 cancel, 2 square is equal to 4. Otherwise another one we can solve here, 32. So 2 by 5, you can write 1 by 5 here and here. Now it is 32 raised to 1 by 5 is in the form of a raised to mn. So you can write mn. Is it clear? So already we solved this one. So how much? 2. 2 raised to 2. So this is equal to 4. Right? So next, third one. 16 raised to 3 by 4. So here 16 we can write 2 raised to 4 and here 3 by 4 as it is. So this is equal to 2 raised to 4 into 3 by 4. These two cancel, we got 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8. Next, fourth one. So 125 raised to minus 1 by 3, right? So now it is in the form of a raised to minus m. So this one we can write 1 divided by a raised to m. So this minus here become a plus. So we can write here 1 divided by 125 raised to 1 by 3. And in a previous main we solved this one, 1 and 125 raised to 1 by 5. We can write directly 5. So here 1 by 5. Well students, this exercise is the last main. Third one, simplified. So first one they given here 2 raised to 2 by 3 and 2 raised to 1 by 5. So it is in the form of a raised to m into a raised to n. So we can write a raised to m plus n, right? So 2 raised to 3 by 2 by 3 and into 2 raised to 1 by 5. So this one we can write 2 raised to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. So this is equal to 2 raised to. So here LCM become a 15 and 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 by 15. 2 raised to 13 by 15. So next, second one. So 1 by 3 raised to 3 cube whole raised to 7. So now here 1 by 3 raised to 3, it is in the form of 1 divided by a raised to m. So this one we can write a raised to minus m. When it comes in a numerator, this become a minus power. So this implies, so 3 cube we can write 3 raised to minus 3 and raised to 7 as it is. So now it is in the form of a raised to m into raised to n. So this we can write a raised to m into n, mn, right? So here 3 raised to minus 3 into 7. So this is equal to 3 raised to minus 21. 3 7s are 21. So next, third one. What is third one? 11 raised to 1 by 2 divided by L1 raised to 1 by 4. So here write down L1 raised to 1 by 2 as it is. So 1 divided by L1 raised to 1 by 4, it comes a numerator become a minus, right? So into L1 raised to minus 1 by 4. Now it is in the form of a raised to m into a raised to n. This become a raised to m plus n. So this is equal to L1 raised to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. So here L1 raised to, take LCM here 4 and here multiple by 2 minus 1 is 1 by 4. Is it clear? So next one, seventh one. Sorry, next fourth one. 7 raised to 1 by 2 into 8 raised to 1 by 2. So it is in the form of a raised to m into b raised to m. So this we can write ab raised to m, right? So here 7 into 8 raised to 1 by 2. So this is equal to 56 raised to 1 by 2. So this is all about your number system.